Hello everyone and welcome. So this is C overview. Now, the C language is a general purpose and high level language that was originally developed by Dennis Ritchie. Now, this is the guy. This is Dennis Ritchie. So this is the guy who invented the C. Okay, so to develop the Unix operating system at Bell Labs. So C was originally first implemented on 1972. So in the DEC BDP 11 computer labs. Okay, now there's some facts about C. So C was first implemented to write an operating system called Unix. It is very widely used. Unix operating system. C is a successor of P language. So Now C is a successor of B language. There was a B language and C is the one that had been implemented and named like C, which was introduced around the early of 1970s. Now the Unix OS was totally written in C. Okay, because the Unix operating was for C language, it was written in assembly, and the assembly is a very hard, or let's say it's complex language, and very complex, and it is very fast because it is close to the hardware. Now today C is the most widely used and popular system programming language. Today most popular Linux OS. Linux is the same as Unix. There's some difference, but if you want, you can read about it or enroll in our course to know the difference. Now OS and RDBMS, this is the database, like MySQL, have been written in C. Okay, so it's an interesting language. So why to use C? The portability of the compiler. We will use in this course a compiler called GNU GCC that been implemented in C to write programs and compile it. So all of this will be discussed in this course, don't worry. Now the standard library concept. There's a library, we include it in to use it. Okay, that makes more performance. Now a powerful and varied of operators and elegant syntax, ready access to the hardware when needed, because it is fast language. So this is high level, but we can use it as a low level, which is more close to the hardware, and ease with which application can be optimized by hand coding isolated procedures. Okay, now what is compiler? Now the compiler is a program, let's say, that's written in some or in specific programming language that translate from high level language to assembly, then to binary code. So what is the procedure? Like this: high level language. Okay, this compiler translate it to let's say assembly language, and this assembly language, okay, now this assembly language we use it so that we can make a connection between the hardware and the software, or to communicate with the hardware, let's say. Okay, and then after the assembly it will be translated into a binary. It is 0101 and so on. This is the machine language. Okay, so in this course we will use the GNU GCC compiler. It is available in all Unix or Linux distribution. Now let's say this is the basic syntax we will use. First thing we will include a library. A library like this. Include, we put this, and the name of library is here. Okay, like for example, this is the stdio.h. This is the name of the library. We will use it to print and read from the standard input and standard output. Don't worry, all of this will be discussed, and we will write enough assignments and in a practical way. Don't worry. Now int main. Okay, this is the main function. We will use it. Okay, we will open braces and we will print f. This is the function we use to print to the screen hello world. Okay, now return 0. This will return a 0 from this function. This is the main function, and we'll stop and close from our program. Okay, so all of this, don't worry, all of this will be discussed. We will take step by step and in a practical way, and how to set up the environment. All of this will be discussed in the next sections. So take a breath and make a cup of coffee, and let's start. So thank you for today.